welcome back to Armin's Knowledge. Today I'm here and today we're going to talk about the new Windows 11 which was leaked mistakenly by Microsoft team. And Microsoft will release to all the insiders next week. So before Microsoft release this Windows 11, let's know how to download ISO file of Windows 11 so that we can easily install before Microsoft release this Windows 11. So let's know how to get this. First, you have to go to this website. As I'm here, you can see upgrade free to Windows 11 from Windows 10. From this ISO file, you can direct upgrade your Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 8 from to Windows 11. So you can do that easily. What you have to do is just go to this website. I will give the link in the description below so you can go to that directly. So just scroll down here and you will find the download option so that you can download. Here just scroll down and here you can see this is the option continue to download. Just click on this option. After that you will directly go to the download page. Here you can see about Windows 11 ISO file download. Now here what you have to just generate the link of Windows 11. So here just scroll down and here you can see here click to start download. Just click on this option. The third step, you have to generate your link and you can see here generate link. Or so what you have to do is just scroll down or come here. You can see here the two options, generate link 1 or generate link 2. So you can either of these, you can click on these options. So I will click on the generate link 1. After clicking on this option, you can see here my Windows 11 is downloaded here and it is about 4.5 GB of size of Windows 11. So this is I told you how to download Windows 11 ISO file before Microsoft release to the public. So you can use your Windows 11 from this ISO file. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing my channel and so make sure to press the bell icon. And thank you guys. See you in the next one.